So what you can also do is you can go ahead and then generate out a marketing plan as you need inside of Qwen. Let's say, for example, you own something like a small organic coffee shop right here. So let's say you want to create a marketing plan without much budget. In that case, Qwen can actually help you prepare a marketing plan. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and type generate a marketing plan. Generate a marketing plan for my small coffee shop business without much marketing budget right here. So if I were to go ahead and then do that, so now if I were to go ahead and do this right here just like this, then what happens is that this is what you have. So it says absolutely, even with no marketing budget, you can create powerful low cost or no cost marketing plan for small coffee shops. You can see that this is what you have. Marketing plan for your small coffee shop, zero budget. It says define your unique value proposition, set clear goals, and then leverage word of mouth and community engagement and so forth, as you can see right here. So it says define your unique value proposition right here is the quality of your beans or local pastries and so forth. It says set clear goals like increase weekday foot traffic by 20% in 3 months and so forth. So it says use word of mouth like offer bring a friend incentive or host free events, partner with local businesses and start a loyalty program. It also says use social media strategically, which is a free platform. So use Instagram, Facebook, TikTok and Google business listings. It says get reviews and testimonials, and this is how you get reviews. Politely ask after a good interaction and then create a sign near checkout. Apart from that, it says local PR and press opportunities as well. So reach out to local newspapers, neighborhood blogs or podcasts and university radio stations as well. It also says you can make your shop more Instagrammable. Create a chalkboard wall with daily quotes or puns, as you can see right here. Offer a photo corner with plants or art, as you can see right here. It says be present in the community and track what works. No tools needed for this. And you can see that it gives you a zero cost sample weekly action plan as well. So this is how you can actually get your marketing plan using Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.